So and now we're on the way to the ferry port or boat port where you can make this nice tour from temple to temple. The tuk-tuk driver picked us up for like 20 baht, which is 50 cents. So let's see. And today is a national day for the Thai people. So theoretically the entry should be free even for tourists for the free temples. We will see. So we make now a boat tour. Let's see what's going on. So we're already in the boat. They started with like 1,000 per person. They started with 1,500. In the internet it's roughly 1,500. And we do it now for 500 per person for 1.5 hours. Let's see. Let's see if this was all a lie or not. Theoretically they said all these temple entries are free. That's how it looks like. And now we will accelerate. And when you come here, bargain a lot. Just like, ah, no, that's too expensive, I don't want, we will leave. We went down from 3,000 to 2,500, which is like 35 euro or something like this. But the boat is shaking pretty much. As you can see, the engine is from a truck. What the fuck? Yeah. Turned around after 5 minutes, so let's see. Maybe that's the reason why we paid so less money. Picked some more people up, so let's see if we're going there now. So you have here tons of nice bars and restaurants next to this green river. I don't know where we are going, and I think that's the Waterloo thing where we are going first. Let's see. There is Bangkok city where we are staying, like near Terminal 21, this direction. Now we are moving to one of these side rivers. So let's see. There should be less waves, I guess. So less water on my glasses. Now you see the truck engine. Hey guys! The way gets always smaller. Let's see. Smaller, smaller, smaller. The next truck engine. Same as in Kashmir, how the people live here. And fisherman, chiller, restaurants, hidden Bangkok pier. Of the people. I don't know if the plural of garden is gardens, but yeah, enjoy. luxury house and a luxury boat. Wow, nice temple. Okay. So after 30 minutes you have your first, 20 minutes you have your first break next to the big Buddha. Let's see. So you see the zoom version already. Already some nice kids. I don't know why they did this thing to the tail, but anyway. Here's the big Buddha somewhere. There is his butt. Oh, his belly? No, his knee. Oops. And as you can see, there are already some nice people here. And I don't know what Paknam Pasi rule Bangkok. There is the big boy. Actually 30 minutes is a bit less. Ah, okay. It's closed. Ah, okay. Okay. Is it open? Ah. Till 6, but I think I'm too late. Okay, I'm the last one who is allowed to go. Okay. Some Buddha statues. It's still 6 p.m. So if you want to see the view, you have to be a bit earlier. And there you can like go around and have a nice view. There's Bangkok City where we are over there somewhere. The view. More temples, more good looking temples. Just have to hurry up a bit. So our boat is leaving in a few minutes. So yeah, we're gonna make this in a run, fast run. So yeah, just come before 6 p.m, maybe go at 4 p.m. Then you have a bit of time here. Yeah, that's the view. And now we are going down, because that's it. We have to leave to the boat. Oh, there you have more beautiful things. You didn't see that? Goat statues. And this is the ground floor. I don't know, you're not allowed to touch or do anything here, so very nice. Don't spend too much time with the big Buddha, come in here. This looks like the spot if you want to see the sunset. arriving here, you have like a monk monastery. Boat, something like that. No, wow. Okay, and after the stop at the Big Buddha and the Waterloo thing, you will be dropped here. And then you have to check how you get back home. But here you can, I don't know, they had something here to do. And you can buy stuff and cricket. Sure. Super nice. On the other side you have here on the other side, and on the other side you have a small market with okay prices. A bag for €3, trousers for €6. And here you see the traditional outfit with some Lacoste shoes. Anxiety attack. Watch out the fonts. The perfect hour. And we got the last boat, which is like 22:07. Or they will leave at 7. So just keep this in mind. Otherwise, I don't know. You have to really ride a long way. Price per ticket is 30 baht, which is like 80 cents per person. And yeah, we have a nice sunset view. That's the temple where we have been. There's a nice rooftop bar. Ah, mommy, mommy. Okay, and you also can go to the. Wir müssen mal Deutsch dann aussehen.
Rashini. For passengers arriving here, please stand by at the exit.
A 360 view I can give you now. Huh? And the first stop is if you wanna go to the blue line, which leads you then to the city, which is like the metro. Here you have the last sunset river view. And when you get out of the harbor or the pier, you have here the metro. And then you're good to go.